Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll develop self-compassion, learning forgiveness as we extend kindness and ease towards ourselves. Find a comfortable seat. Gently lengthen your spine as though you are being pulled up by a string through the crown of your head. Softly close your eyes. Rest your hands on your legs and let your whole body settle and release. Now tune into your breath. Notice your breath as it enters your body on the inhales. Observe your breath as it leaves your body on the exhales. And let your breath shape itself. There's no need to control it or change it in any way. Just notice how it feels to breathe. Now, allow your awareness to expand so that it includes your whole experience. Make room for your physical sensations without seeking them out. Observe and allow space for emotions that come and go. Let thoughts arise and fade away like clouds passing by. And throughout all of it, keep using your breath like a touchstone, coming back to it again and again and again. Now begin to acknowledge the pain you've caused yourself. Make gentle room for the thoughts and actions you've taken towards yourself that have caused you harm. There's no need to dwell on the details here, just bringing up a general sense of the harshness you've extended towards yourself. Feel into the pain and sadness. Feel into the confusion and hurt. And with a sense of kindness, ease, and compassion, invite yourself back to your own heart. Now, gently set the intention to forgive yourself as fully as you can in this moment. Know that this can be challenging, so be loving and patient with yourself. And with compassion, silently repeat these words, leaning into their meaning and offering yourself forgiveness. I forgive myself. I offer myself compassion and kindness. I forgive myself. I offer myself compassion and kindness. It can be helpful to gently place a hand on your heart and feel into the sense of tenderness as you offer yourself these words. I forgive myself. I offer myself compassion and kindness. I forgive myself. I offer myself compassion and kindness. And remember to be gentle as you continue with this exercise of self-forgiveness. If you become overwhelmed at any point, lovingly return to the feeling of your body breathing. Take as much time as you need, and when you feel ready, return to the words again. I forgive myself. I offer myself compassion and kindness. Now gently release the words and return to your breath. Take a few soft, easy inhales and exhales. And offer yourself gratitude for having taken the time to build self-compassion and forgiveness. Now, allow your awareness to widen. When we think of forgiveness, we often think of it as something we do for others who've hurt us in some way. And while it's important to extend forgiveness out to the people around us, we tend to forget how important it is to offer it to ourselves as well. It is human tendency to be harder on ourselves than we are on the people around us. So it's no wonder that it feels challenging to forgive ourselves for the harsh judgments we extend towards our own thoughts, actions, and behaviors. The thing is, when we hang on to our own anger, resentment, or disappointment, we not only increase our stress and negative self-thoughts, we tend to isolate ourselves from the people we love. It affects our self-esteem and self-worth, as well as our ability to interact with others in a healthy and authentic way. Learning to forgive ourselves is fundamental to our health and well-being. When we lean in with compassion and forgiveness, we begin to let go of the negative feelings and thoughts we harbor towards ourselves. This is fundamental to self-acceptance. And as we gradually see ourselves in a more positive light, our self-esteem develops, our overall stress reduces, our relationships strengthen, and our outlook on life improves. But remember, self-forgiveness is a practice. It doesn't happen overnight. Be gentle and loving with yourself. Do your best to step into compassion as you learn to let go and forgive yourself little by little. Now, gently bring your attention back into the room around you. Start to make small movements with your hands and feet. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Be gentle with yourself today. We'll meet back here again tomorrow.